guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be making our homemade chocolate sauce. But before we start cooking, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Barbz Kitchen. And please do not forget to click the bell icon for more videos. And here are our ingredients for homemade chocolate sauce. We have here 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups fresh milk or evaporated milk, 1 cup sugar, butter, pinch of salt, 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So without turning the fire on, mix all the ingredients first. We have here our milk, sugar, flour, salt, and our cocoa powder. Mix everything first. Make sure no lump is available on our mixture. There's still no fire first, guys. We're just trying to combine everything first. Trying to combine everything. Okay guys, this is good enough. I'll have to turn on the fire and slow fire, guys. There. And just have to continue mixing and stirring until the sauce thickens. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's starting to thicken. So we just have to continue mixing and stirring until this will come to a full stop, because the sauce will really get thickened. That's gonna be after 4 to 5 minutes of stirring. Continuous stirring, guys. Look at that. And I'm smelling the chocolate really nice here. Alright guys, so this is it. This is done. Look at that. Turn off the fire and then put in the rest of the ingredients. Our vanilla extract. Smelling so good. And our butter. This will give shine to our chocolate sauce. Just continue stirring until the butter totally melts. Look at that.
Wow!
It's getting shinier now. This is already our homemade chocolate ganache. Those of you who don't have like chocolate bars, you can use cocoa powder. Look at that, guys.
Wow!
Looking good and smelling so good. Alright guys, this is already our finished product of our homemade chocolate sauce. Another simple, quick, easy, and cost-efficient recipe. Only here at Barb's Kitchen. But before we go guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Barb's Kitchen. And don't forget to click the bell icon for future videos. This has been Barb's Kitchen, and see you again in our next sumptuous recipes. Bye!